All right, guys, this is Trey Snodgrass, founder and CEO of Tools for Wealth Marketing. And I'm very excited to share with you a powerful new marketing and advertising tool, especially for those that are on a budget and that are looking for a low-cost method to be able to share your program, your products, and your services. All right, I want to introduce to you freeclassifiedclub.com. This is a brand new marketing website. It's very similar. If you're familiar with Craigslist or even Backpage back in the day, it's very similar to those types of platforms. However, it's really geared more towards marketers, network marketers, and is a little more friendly to that industry than some of those sites have typically been. Now, I'm going to go over some of the basics, then I'm going to give you some particulars to kind of help you to make sure that your ad is seen and that you maximize your efforts here, okay? Now, there will be several different categories, business opportunities, even classified sections for vehicles, real estate, and so many other different opportunities. However, it's still a fairly new website, which is golden for you because you're getting a chance to place your ads before it really becomes a really popular website, which will happen very soon. And then this section is very important. You'll be able to get more appeal, more eyes on your website by listing it as a premium listing. Now, obviously, all the advertisements on this site are free. You can be done for free. And the premium listings, anywhere from like $5 or so, is very, very affordable. And this gives you a chance to highlight your advertisement and to make sure that it's seen the maximum amount of times on the website. I'll show you those options in just a moment. And that's very powerful because only the premium ads will be shown in this section, okay? Also pay close attention to the banner ads that'll be on this page. They'll be updated real soon and it'll provide some valuable tips and training for you as well. But basically it works like this. You can place your advertisement here and you can place a picture to allow your ad to be seen and maximized. You can put a heading here. And when someone clicks, if they click directly on the link in the ad, it'll take them to your website, okay? As you can see, someone here is promoting Live Good. If they click here to read more, they'll be able to see a little bit more about whatever it is that you're providing details and that you're providing input on, okay? Now, while I'm here, let me go ahead and share with you one of the dangers you want to avoid and the mentality you want to have on a website like this. First of all, because it's free and even low cost, the natural tendency is just to want to put as many ads as you can in one time and basically just spam the whole website. Now, that's why a lot of ads get ghosted, get removed on sites like Craigslist and Backpage. And yes, that can and will happen here if you're not responsible. The reason why, you want to create an environment where people take your advertisement seriously. If you're just spamming a whole bunch of links, you'll see some people in here have duplicate ads. Some of them have been removed already. But like here, you see the same picture in the same ad. Even though they changed the title, it's probably the same person advertising the same thing. Yeah, you may get a few looks on that, but one, you're increasing the odds that you're going to get ghosted, that you're going to get removed or marked as spam. Plus, people don't tend to take these as serious if they see the same ad multiple times in one time, okay? So it's far better to mix it up and to change the title and even the pictures and even the ad copy in some of your advertisements to make sure, one, that you stand out, and then two, that your ad continues to stay on the site, okay? So you'll see that sometimes people just kind of get carried away. And I get it. You're trying to get as many ads in at one time, but it's far better to do it responsibly. And as you can see, even if you're a premium listing, it shows up premium here in this section and it kind of stands out and you're more likely to get views and hits on those links and those websites than just the regular free ads, okay? So to get started, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is click here where it says registration. You'll be able to register here for a free account. Just enter in your information here and you'll need to confirm your email address. Again, in an attempt to limit spam and limit, spam bots and those types of things. And then once your email address is confirmed, then you will have access to your own login section where you can log in and start placing your advertisements. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into the sample account here so I can show you what it would look like. All right, when you log in, this is one of the other benefits. You'll be able to see one member ad that, someone's advertising something here, and your ad can be in this rotation as well. And as you can see, there's a timer here. I believe it's about a 10 to 15 second timer. And once you've had a chance to review this advertisement, it may be something that's of interest to you, and you want to be able to have an opportunity to share something with everyone as well. You just click the continue button at the top of the page, and then you will be in your members area. It'll initially take you back to the main page here, but you just click here where it says My Account. And then, of course, you can also view advertisements and earn credits that way. Again, making the site still free And if that's the case, if you view ads for credits, you just click here. You'll be able to be shown ads on rotation, and you'll be able to see some of the advertisements that the members have available. And of course, there's a timer at the top, and you'll receive credits as you review and look at those advertisements, okay? And if you see an advertisement that you like, let's look at one more. So this one says get free cash plus free leads daily. So if it's something that you're interested in, you can click on the ad itself, click on the link provided, or you can click up here in the left-hand column where it says view advertiser's website. And then how about that? That's actually my website. You'll be redirected to that particular person's website, and you'll be able to see what it is they're providing. So someone's already advertising my website. So it's pretty funny that happened. Okay. So once you're done, you can return to your account by clicking the right-hand column here. And now you'll be able to see and have access to your members area. As you can see here, I've already placed 2 different advertisements just as a sample to show you how this works. When you're ready to publish your ad, all you do is click here where it says publish your ad. Then you'll be able to select whichever category you want to use. Most people will be business opportunities. And then you'll be able to select the subcategory, whether it's work from home, whether it's an actual business opportunity, travel, health and wellness. Is several different categories here, and you can select whichever category you want. I'm just going to select work from home here. And then you'll be able to put the title of your advertisement. Again, this is very important. Be creative and try to think of something that will stand out and that's not so salesy all the time. That's not always the best approach. Try to come from a place of value as much as you can, and something that's going to enhance, especially if you're marketing a program that's very common, that's very popular right now. Anything you can do to stand out and make your advertisement more unique is going to benefit you. All right, so think of whatever that title is going to be, the description here. You can even use some HTML images. Just be careful on those and not overdo it. And do whatever you can to make your image, your ad stand out. If you want to add an image, you'll click here and add an image. A lot of times that makes your ad stand out as well. If there's a price point for your particular advertisement, you can place it here. And then whichever location you want it displayed in, you'll enter it there. The website, this is important. The website that you want the traffic to be directed to, you'll enter it in here. Enter in the whole website URL, including the http:// to make sure that they have an opportunity to go to a valid website. Then any keywords that you have, and if you want your contact information listed. This is very powerful right here. You can also embed your YouTube video. If you have a YouTube video, that's a very popular way to not only get people to see your YouTube video or go to your YouTube channel, but it's also embedded in the advertisement, and it allows you to get more organic traffic to your YouTube videos, to your websites also. So that's a very powerful feature that's included when you advertise, okay? And then once you put all the pertinent information, just click publish. And once your ad is verified, it will then be displayed, okay? All right, so that's that. And then once you have your ad here, you can leave it as a free ad, or if you want to upgrade it to a premium listing, you can always see however many credits you have in your wallet here, but you can also click here where it says upgrade your ads. And now you'll be able to see the options that can increase the amount of views that your website receives, okay? Now these are optional, but a very, very powerful way to get multiple eyesights and a high number of people to your advertisement by using this platform. The most value driven and the most beneficial one is the 3-in-1, which gives 100 times the views the amount of a regular free advertisement. You can read about that and see what that provides, but it's $20 one time. Not bad at all, and it lasts for 90 days, okay? As you can see it down here, you can see the price point here. The other ones are separate options. Premium gives you 20 times more views. Highlighting it means, the neon color gives you 5 times more views, and to continue to move your ad to the top provides at least 3 times more views. Each of these are $5 each, so you can select any of these as an option individually, or if you want all of these features in one value-driven package, you can select the 3-in-1 option. So you just go to whichever ad you want to feature, select which option you want to do. If you want to do the 3-in-1, you just highlight it. If you just want to do the highlight feature, you just highlight it, and then you'll select and you'll pay for that particular feature. Okay, so when you select and pay, you'll be redirected. And right now it's just PayPal. There may be some additional options here once you get here, but whatever payment method is provided, you'll make that one-time payment, and then your ad will instantly be upgraded to a premium listing. And now it will stand out on this page. It will be in the premium section. It will be highlighted if you selected that option, and it will constantly be moved to the top of the page when people come to this website, okay? And that is going to be very powerful real soon, as thousands and thousands of people in traffic will come to this site each and every day real soon. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to bring this to an end. Obviously, you can still do really well with the free ads if you consistently and responsibly, continuously do a little work each day to make sure that you have an ad in place. You can put whatever program opportunity you want in front of the right audience in a way that fits your budget, okay? So this is one of the methods I'm very excited and happy to share with you. I'll be providing some other ones later on in the week. If you've been following me, you know I had some internet issues. I'm glad that's over with, hopefully, and we can start providing some other tips and training for you so that you can increase your opportunities to market online, okay? All right, hope you enjoyed this free classified club. Definitely become a member for free and start placing your ads here and add this to your marketing portfolio so you can get some good traffic to your website. All right, that's it for now. Hope you enjoy. Take care, and we'll talk soon.